Okay. We are live.
Good morning, boys and girls. How are you all today? I hope you are all doing good. You're all happy and excited to learn about numbers this morning. I hope you all remembered that you need to have your pencils, your eraser, and your book or your piece of paper with you to get started. If you haven't got that, I'm giving you 10 seconds today. So you've got 10 seconds to quickly go and fetch your pencils, paper, and your eraser. Five seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay, so you're all sitting down. You're all ready to start? That's great. All right. So as you all remembered, we sang a song yesterday and it reminded you about my name. Do you remember what that song is called? Row, row, row your boat. Yes, well done. So to remind you, my name is Row. All right, so now let's have a look at this teacher over here with the blue jersey and the white t-shirt. She is saying something. Do you know what she is saying? She is telling us the date. And the date today is the 21st of April 2020. So at the top of your page, I want you to write the date today. The date today is the 21st of April 2020. All right, so go do that. Remember not to press too hard on your paper. Just gently and make sure your pencil is nice and sharp. If you make a mistake, it doesn't matter. Good. So I'm sure you've all got that. Let's get started. So at the end of the lesson, let's see what you will know. So you will know the difference between your left side and your right side. You will also know more about length. You're going to learn about number 7 and the number name 7. So at the end of our lesson yesterday, I gave you a sneak peek of what we're going to learn today. Did you see this picture at the end of our lesson yesterday? And did you know what the sneak peek was? Yes, that we're going to learn about number 7. Can you show me 7 fingers? That's right. Good. 7. So we're going to learn about number 7. Okay, so our morning greeting. Remember, whenever we start our lesson, we always do our morning greeting just to make sure that we all remember and revise the days of the week, the months of the year, counting, because that's very important, our counting from 1 to 10, and counting backwards from 10 to 0. So let's revise the days of the week. What is the first day of the school week? Monday. Good. What day comes after Monday? Tuesday. Good. And after Tuesday comes Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and what are the 2 days of the weekend? Saturday and Sunday. Well done, boys and girls. Good. Now, by looking at the screen, I've given you a clue. What day is it today? Today is Tuesday. Good, well done. If today is Tuesday, grade 1s, what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Monday. Good. And if today is Tuesday, what day will it be tomorrow? Wednesday. Good. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Do you remember how many days we have in a week? 7. Good. We've got 7 days in a week. Good. You must remember that. Now let's move on to the months of the year. What is the first month that we have in the year? January. Good. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Well done. Now have a look at the screen again and see if you can figure out what month we are in now. April. Good. The month is April. Very good. And can you remember how many months we have in a year? Did you say 12? That's right. We've got 12 months in a year. Well done, grade 1s. Good. Let's get counting. Are you ready? We're going to count forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what number comes after 9? 10. Well done. And now we're going to go backwards. And don't forget about the rocket ship. Remember what I told you yesterday? Let's see if you remember. Counting backwards from 10. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the rocket ship goes blast off. Well done. Awesome. Right, let's have a look at our number names, revising numbers names. All right, let's read what number name has popped up first. The number name 1. Good. That says 1. What number comes after 1? 2. Good. And after 2 comes 3. Good. Now remember what I told you yesterday, grade 1s? The sound the t and the h makes says t and h make the sound. So don't forget to stick that little tongue out and say 3. Good. What number comes after 3? Let's read the number name. 4. Good. After 4 comes 5. And what number symbol and number name did we learn about yesterday? 6. That's right. Good. 6. Okay, now we've got a little surprise for you. So remember, I told you at the end of the lesson, we're going to learn about left and right. Do you know the Hokey Pokey song? Great. So I want you to stand up where you are and I want you to follow the lady on the screen and listen to the music. We are going to do the Hokey Pokey dance. Are you ready? All right, let's see if you're all ready. We're all warmed up. You're all standing up nice and straight. You're all looking at the screen. And we are going to do our Hokey Pokey dance. Are you ready? and turn around. That's what it's all about. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in and shake it all about. Do the hokey pokey and turn around. That's what it's all about. You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in and shake it all about. Do the hokey pokey and turn around. That's what it's all about. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. You put your head in, you put your head out, you put your head in and shake it all about. Do the hokey pokey and turn around. That's what it's all about. You put your whole self in, you put your whole self out, you put your whole self in and shake it all about. Do the hokey pokey and turn around. That's what it's all about. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. Awesome. Well done, grade ones. All right, so now that was a practice round. Are you all ready to try and do it again? Yes, let's go. Turn around, that's what it's all about. You put your left arm in, you put your left arm out, you put your left arm in and shake it all about. Do the hokey pokey and turn around, that's what it's all about. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in and shake it all about. Do the hokey pokey and turn around. That's what it's all about. You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in and shake it all about. Do the hokey pokey and turn around. That's what it's all about. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. You put your head in, you put your head out, you put your head in and shake it all about. Do the hokey pokey and turn around. That's what it's all about. You put your whole self in, you put your whole self out, you put your whole self in and shake it all about. Do the hokey pokey and turn around. That's what it's all about. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. Well done, grade ones. Awesome. I hope you all had fun and I hope you all joined in and did the dance. Did you? Good. All right. So let's have a look. We're going to now remember and learn left and right. So you practice left and right in the Hokey Pokey song. So now we are going to do it with our hands. And our hands are going to help us remember which is our left side and which is our right side. So I want you to hold your hands out, show 10 fingers just like it does on the screen. So put your fingers out like that on the screen. And now I want you to drop the last 3 fingers on each hand. And I want you to make your hands look like it does on the screen. So you should only have 2 fingers up on each hand. Okay, so now I want you to look at your hands. And look and see which hand is making the capital L. The capital L. Which hand makes the capital L? Good. So have a look and see. That is the hand that is your left hand. So if you are confused which is your left and your right hand, drop the last 3 fingers on each hand, make a capital L and make sure that it is facing the right way. And that is the one that will show you that that is your left side. Okay, so if you get confused, just do that. Hold your fingers out, drop the last 3 fingers and have a look and see which hand makes the capital L. And that will help you remember which is your left hand. Good. Now let's have a look at this big, beautiful picture on the screen. Right at the top, it says the words left and right. Now we've got a boy over here standing with his orange t-shirt and jeans on, and he's facing right over there. He's facing the sky on that side. So he's got his back towards us. He's got his left hand up and he's got his right hand up. Okay, so let's have a look at the picture and see what we can see. So let's look at the left-hand side of the road. So let's look here. He's on the road. Can you see the road in the middle of the page? Good. So now let's have a look on the left-hand side of the page. What do we have on the left-hand side? Oh, so what's sitting over here? A dog, yes. Can you see the dog sitting over there and he's got a red collar around his neck? Good. And over here, we've got a school. Can you see the word school over here? That's written school. All right, so this is the school. And then we've got a very tall tree. And what is in the tree? There is a bird, yes, and the bird is sitting on the nest. Now let's have a look on the right-hand side of the road and the right-hand side of the page. What do we have over here on the far right-hand side? We've got a hut. A hut. Yes, and over here we've got a house. And in front of the house we've got a red car. The car is parked on the right-hand side, right in front of the house. And what beautiful purple thing is next to the house? A flower. That's right, there is a flower. And what do we have here that's eating grass? What is this? We've got a sheep. All right, so now I'm going to ask you some questions. And with the questions, you're going to look at the picture and tell me which is the correct answer. So you're going to see whether the object is on the left-hand side or whether it's on the right-hand side. So number 1, so I want you to write number 1 on your page and you are going to tell me whether it's on the left or on the right. So number 1, I want you to write the answer left or right. So if you struggle to spell the words, it's over here on your page. That's the word left and this is the word right. Okay, so the question is number 1. The school bus is on his, so which side is the school bus, silly me. The school, which side is the school on? Is it on the left-hand side or the right-hand side? So I want you to write the right answer. So number 1, is it on the left or is it on his right? The school. And let's see what our answer is. Ooh, we've got a ooh there. So the ooh is on his left. The school is on his left. Good. Number 2. The sheep is on his. Which side is the sheep on? Is it going to be ooh for left or r for right? Which side? Have a look at the picture. R for right. Yes, the sheep is on his right. Number 3. The hut is on his. Which side is the hut on? The left or the right? L for left or R for right? Do you know the answer? Right. That is correct. The hut is on his right. Good. Number 4. The dog is on his. Which side is the dog on? His left side or his right side? On his left. Well done, boys and girls. Number 5. The car is on his. Which side is his car on? The left side or the right hand side? Let's have a look and see what the answer is. Come on, answer. Where are you? R for right. Good. The red car is on his right. Great. And the last question. The flower is on his. Which side is the beautiful flower on? His left-hand side or his right-hand side? Do you know the answer? Correct. The flower is on his right side. Good. Well done, grade 1s. Great. So now let's move on to our number symbol 7. Do you know how to write the number symbol 7? Let's have a look at our rhyme, and the rhyme is going to help us write the number 7 correctly. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way we make a 7. So put your finger pencils up in the air. And I want you to go across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way we make a 7. Good. So now remember, when you come down from heaven, remember it's a bit slanted. You don't come straight down. You slant a bit towards the left-hand side. So now we're going to practice writing the number symbol 7. And how many times are we going to write the number 7? 7 times. Good. So let's go. On your page, I want you to write the number 7s in a nice row. Remember, leave a finger space in between each 7. All right, so you're going to write it once. Twice. Remember, don't rush. 3 times. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way we make a 7. 4 times. 5. 6. And 7. Good, so you should have a row of 7 7s. Have you got that? Good, so just remember, across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way we make a 7. So if you forget how to write the number 7, just remember that rhyme, okay? Well done. All right, let's move on to our number name 7. Can you tell me which letter of the alphabet does the number name 7 start with? S. Good. And what letter, comes next? E. Good. What letter comes next? V. Good. E. And the last letter is N. Good. So there we've spelled the number name 7. Good. So I want you, below your row of 7s, I want you to write the number name 7. So you are going to write the number name 7 below your row of 7s. Good. And there we've got the number symbol and the number name, as well as 7 fingers up on the screen, showing you more about the number 7. Well done. Good. Now, grade 1s, let's have a look. Remember, I spoke about length. So we're going to learn more about short and long. So let's have a look. What animal popped up on the screen now? A giraffe. Good. And next? What's next to the giraffe? A horse. Good. Now I want you to have a close look at the giraffe and the horse's neck. And you are going to tell me which animal has a short neck. Does the giraffe have a short neck or does the horse have a short neck? Good. The horse has a short neck. And does the giraffe have a short neck as well, or does he have a long neck? He's got a long neck. Well done. Good. Now let's have a look at what we've got here. We've got a ruler and we've got an eraser. Now let's have a look. Let's swap it around. Is the eraser long or is it short? Is the ruler long or is it short? You tell me which one is long. The ruler. Good. The ruler is long and our eraser is short. Great. Well done. All right. Now it's your turn to see if you remember what we learned about today. Let's have a look. Do you know what it says on the screen? Can you read the blue writing? Yes, it says left. So put your left hand out. Remember, if you get confused, drop your last 3 fingers and look for the capital L. Good, that's your left hand. And your right hand, put your right hand out. Good. All right, now I want you to take your right hand and touch your left ear. Good. Okay, drop your right hand. Now I want you to take your left hand and put your left hand over your right eye. Good. Well done. And what number symbol did we learn about today? The number 7. And what number name did we learn about today? 7. Good. And what letter does the number name 7 start with? S. Good. S. Well done. And remember, we also learned about length, long and short. Our ruler was long and the eraser was short. Well done, grade 1s. Very good. I hope you enjoyed that lesson today. Right, my takeaway message for you today is mistakes are proof that you are trying. So remember what I told you yesterday as well? It doesn't matter if you make a mistake. The more mistakes you make, it shows that you are trying. And the more mistakes you make, the better you will become. So it doesn't matter if you make a mistake, okay? So don't cry if you make a mistake. Don't get angry. It's okay if you make a mistake. All right, so just keep trying your best every day. Good. And I will see you tomorrow bright and early at 8 o'clock. And here is our little surprise and our sneak peek of what we'll be learning about tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow morning bright and early at 8 o'clock. Have a lovely day. Play lots, eat healthy food, and be safe. See you tomorrow. Bye.